Creating digital product is very difficult, especially if you are a physical product seller and you want to leverage on how to create digital products. Contrary to what you know, it's very difficult, or it should not be difficult for you that are watching my videos. That's why I'm here to give you another good news today on how you can create digital products on several websites and apps that you'll be needing in the long run. Some video editing apps, some apps that will help you to reduce the bulkiness of your video. So I'll be creating lots of content. I started my last videos on how to create digital products using Canva. I've created a video in previous videos where I talked about what you should do before creating your digital products and what you should know before creating digital products. So if you want to know more about this or you haven't watched the video, I'll drop it in the video description, or you should comment if you want it. If you still don't find it, I will send the link to you. So watch me as I show you the product. Yo, welcome back. It's Mecca Pole here. You kindly subscribe, and if you are a returning subscriber, make sure you kindly like the video and comment so that YouTube can show it to more people. You know, when you comment and you like, YouTube assume that okay, this video is kind of helpful to people, and they show it to more people as well. You can as well share to your friends so that they can enjoy more of my videos and they can also gain more value from it. So if you find my videos helpful, make sure you comment below, and if you find anything you want me to create videos on how to do any of those things, make sure you comment it so that we know what to create in my next video. Now, the first thing I want you to know is that digital products are just hair products. What I mean by hair product is that things that you can't see, things that you don't need to be physically there so that before you can sell. It doesn't really require you to have a physical shop. You don't need to have an offline store because before you can sell this stuff. Now, we have different type of digital product. We have ebooks, we have podcasts, we have video courses. So it all depends on you and what you want to do. Remember that your digital products must be solving a problem. It must be solving a problem, not spiritual problem or the problem of arrow and sword. We are talking about problems that someone is having. Maybe you want to focus on a niche as well. Maybe your relationship niche. You are into the finance, the make money niche. You are into the social marketing niche, or probably you are into the relationship niche or sports. We have sports niche as well. Sports and all these pastors and parenting and marriage. Yeah. So it's a very good niche as well. So you want to know your niche, you want to know your what you are doing. You don't just want to be creating anyhow digital product. You don't just want to create digital product that people will know buy. You want to make sure that your digital product is solving a problem. Then in which format are you going with? Are you going with it ebook format, you are going with podcast, you are going with what's it called again, maybe video and the rest. Oh, now, so I'll be going to my Play Store to show you some of those apps that I've mentioned earlier. That okay, these apps will show you how to create digital. Well, you can use them for your own digital product. The first one, which I love so much, is my video editors, like apps that I use for video editing. The first one is my InShot. InShot, I really love InShot because InShot is very straightforward and it's easier to use. This interface of the app, if you are using an iPhone or you are using an app laptop, it's working on both devices. So make sure you download the app and you explore it. It's having a premium version, but it doesn't really matter. You can still use it. You can use it. It's amazing. You can use it very well. So the second one is KineMaster. I really love KineMaster in the sense that it's the one that is more complex, but it's having lots of features. It's having a lot of things. It's not, can see, it's telling me to install because I don't have it on this phone. Since I've gotten this phone, I've not been using KineMaster on it because the space is KineMaster is having, it takes a lot of space when you download it. Like you need a lot of space. Now, the one I use alternatively is the CapCut. CapCut is a new app that I actually bought. It's super amazing. It's having a lot of features that even KineMasters are not having sometimes. You know, it's an updated version of KineMaster. Let me just use it that way. If you are into the video editing nation, you know that okay, KineMaster is also good as well. So you can use CapCut. Then what I use to compress my video is that whenever I create a video course that is having so many megabytes, like you record a video that is having 500 MB, 1 gig, you can't send that video to your Google Drive, or you want to send it to someone. You know, if they want to download it, it will be so tiring that it will be consuming their data as well. So they might be complaining, or some of them they might not even have data. Imagine someone come to you that okay, please, how do I do so thing, and maybe they even paid 1,000 naira for your data product on how to, for example, let's say I want to, because the video and you can recover your Facebook back, and you pay me 1,000 naira. So I will have to spend like 500 MB on downloading the video. So now that's kind of somehow you don't want to, you want to reduce the size of the video. That's why I use this app called Video Panda. So you need to get the Video Panda. It's one of the cheapest in terms of premium. It's just like 500 or 600 for, it's not up to 1,000 for lifetime access. So you just download it on Play Store, your Apple Store, you get it. I don't really like cracked app. So I like getting the premium. But if you know how to get the cracked app, you can get it as well. So now you want to use Canva as well. I already mentioned Canva in my last video. I don't want to be going back to it, but let me just show you Canva. This is Canva. This is how Canva looks like. It's super amazing. I really love it for designs and the rest. Now, if you want to, there's one app I call Peaceful app that I'll be using. It's for designs, flyers. Maybe you want to create your ebook cover, you want to create your flyer design, you want to create your podcast artwork, like album art. You want to create the flyer for your video courses and the rest. So Pixel app is very good as well. So you can explore those apps. They are very good. Then the one I will talk about alternative to for writing, like for the ebook version, you can use Google Docs. Like Google Docs is very amazing. Like it's for writing. For, even when you are not writing a book, you can write or jot some stuff there. It will save them for future reference. That's why I really love the app so much. So it's an app that you will really enjoy. You grab. So now you want to exploit the app, then check this one out. So Google Drive. Google Drive Google Drive is amazing in the sense that you can store your digital product for future reference. Not only just paid digital product. Let's say you have you saw a video somewhere and you really love it so much, you want to save it for later purpose. Just download Google Drive, upload the file there, and make sure that it is uploaded successfully. Then you can also store your ebooks, you can store your certificates, you can store your maybe any form or anything important to you that is in form of digital that you don't want to lose. You can store them. You can also store them in your Telegram. I've always advised people that okay, create a private channel on Telegram, put your stuff there. You know, on Telegram it is safe. It's not like WhatsApp that once you uninstall the app that it will go. But on Telegram, even when you uninstall the app, everything is still there. Like Telegram, I just the main reason I'm using Telegram is for my private coaching that on Telegram, like people like paid, like I'm joining their training or one-on-one coaching that is on Telegram, or probably for the trainings that I also host on Telegram. You can create live videos on Telegram and show your face. Telegram is very good for content creation and for digital product as well. Then you can also get this app WPS. WPS is like alternative to Google Docs. Google Docs is for writing ebooks, and for writing ebooks in form of docs format, in PDF format, you can easily use it, you can explore it. So if you want to know how you can use the Google Docs, you want to know how you can create podcasts, you want to know how to create everything. I have a course on WhatsApp marketing where I explain everything, how to create them, then how to sell them as well. So you can come to my WhatsApp for it. So I've explained what WPS is used for. Then this one I feel I can add to it is your keep notes. So keep notes is super amazing in the sense that you can easily just like Google Drive out, you just like Google Docs as well, but that one is smaller version. Then you can easily store some, maybe you saw a link to a website to something, don't forget the name of the website, just copy it and put it in Google Keep. Or you want to all this phrase, for example, your trust wallet phrase, just phrasal words that you have to keep very well. Your phrase on Binance as well, you can keep them in keep note. It's safe. Even when you install it from your phone, only as much as you remember the password, you are still good to go. You grab. So I really love those apps. That's why I'm mentioning them. Okay, 8 apps that will help you to create digital product. Then you can explore this website rather WikiHow and TinyWow. WikiHow is just like you can use it to convert ebooks from one format to another format. Let's say using PDF format and you want to convert it to like PDF, using PDF format, you want to convert it to docs format, you grab. Then for people that publish books, you want to explore Google Docs very well for EPUB format and the rest. Then what again you want to do I'm doing is amazing. Like it's working for people. My digital product is solving a particular problem, just like I mentioned earlier. Now let me show you the draft format of what I recorded I've recorded this video more than 3 times. I don't know what is happening. Like the video just bouncing back. So that's why I lost the enthusiasm to create the video. But I still have to do it because I have made up my mind that today I must upload this video to my YouTube. Now I've explained Google Docs and WPS. I've explained Google Drive, Telegram. Yeah, Media and Megafire is an alternative to Google Drive. Google Drive, no, on Google Drive you can store your digital products for all certificates and others. You can also store them on Mega. Mega is just like an app. It's also on Play Store and Apple Store. Mediafire is an alternative as well. So if for your video on laptop or PC, you can use PowerPoint presentation. So if you have seen some of my videos, I just make presentation. What I use for the presentation is PowerPoint. So you just create the PowerPoint presentation, then you can screen record your laptop. The best screen recorder for laptop is Screen Rec or Loom. Let me type it here. Screen Rec or Loom. Yeah, Screen Rec is super good. I really love it. Screen Rec or Loom. So you can just create a PowerPoint presentation, then record your screen, you grab. Then Canva Pencil Lab, I've explained it before. So if you still want to know more about it, make sure you explore my channel. You can go to make sure you subscribe to our channel. You can explore those websites I mentioned earlier about Tiny Wow, Tiny this and that. So it will really help you. It will help you so much. Now let me go to my go to the wiki how and show you the interface of the app, of the website rather. So this wiki how. So you see on the first page they are very good. Like I really love the website. Like they give you how to several things, the most trusted how to site on the internet. Like you see how to do several things. Let's say you want to do and undo, like you want to really learn a lot of stuff, you will explore this website and you will see a lot of stuff. The other one that I mentioned is Tiny Wow. Tiny Wow is for those people that they want to convert their ebook from one format to another format. Tiny Wow. Yeah, this Tiny Wow is 100% free to use. Like it's not having anything like Premiere or something, so you can use it. I really love it so much as well. These are tools. These are really helpful digital product, like content creation and digital products tools that will help you big time. So don't forget those apps that I mentioned earlier. You can free to share my videos to several people to help them. Don't forget that on your laptop or your PC, you can use PowerPoint presentation, then you record the screen. I record the screen with Screen Rec. Screen Rec is just like software or something. It's just like an app. Like you can download it. Just search on Google or your Chrome or any browser. Screen Rec. Then install it. Once you've installed it, then create a PowerPoint presentation. Draft what you want to talk about. Then record your screen with Screen Rec or Loom. So that's all for today. Don't forget my name still remain my calculate. Then if you want to know more about how you can sell your digital products, I have a very good course for you on how you can become an authority in your field and sell anything digital product or physical product. Then I have a course on lead generation. I have a very good course on sales and marketing. So if you want to really learn sales and marketing, you will gain a lot of value from it. Then I teach people lead generation and WhatsApp automation. Like you want to learn how to save your videos, how to save your contact as they are coming to your WhatsApp. It is saving automatically. Your autoresponder is replying to them. It's saving the stress. It's saving the stress of saying how to save. Like for example, Emilia reached out to me yesterday. Like she has saved over 25,000 contacts with the autosave. Like it's super amazing. Let's say you are running advert, you are getting it from WhatsApp TV on Facebook and the rest. So that one will really help to save them. You grab. Don't forget that my name is Simi Bring my calculator. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video. Thank you.